Welcome to Winter Trend TV. Before we start with the video, please like, subscribe and share. Okra is a flowering plant known for its edible seed pods. It's cultivated in warm and tropical climates, such as those in Africa and South Asia. Sometimes referred to as lady's finger, okra comes in two colors, red and green. Both varieties taste the same, and the red one turns green when cooked. Biologically classified as a fruit, okra is generally utilized like a vegetable in cooking. It's frequently used in Southern American cuisine and a popular addition to gumbo. Yet, it can have a slimy texture, which some people find unappealing, and is also taste very nice. The Texas A&M Extension Service reports that the French brought okra to New Orleans in the 18th century, and it also came to the United States on ships that transported African slaves. Fiber also combines with other foods and nutrients in the stomach and slows gastric emptying into the intestines and absorption into bloodstream. The glycemic index of okra is in the low range, a consequence of its minimal effect on blood glucose. The body reacts by sending hunger signals to the brain to replace the removed blood glucose it needs for energy. Including no more than the daily fat requirement in the diet is important for avoiding weight gain. Okra boasts an impressive nutrient profile. 1 cup, 100 grams, of raw okra contains calories, 33 carbs, 7 grams protein, 2 grams fat, 0 grams fiber, 3 grams magnesium, 14% of the daily value, DV, folate, 15% of the DV vitamin A, 14% of the DV vitamin C, 26% of the DV vitamin K, 26% of the DV vitamin B6, 14% of the DV. Okra is an excellent source of vitamin C and K1. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that contributes to your overall immune function, while vitamin K1 is a fat-soluble vitamin that's known for its role in blood clotting. Okra is a nutrient-rich vegetable that is low in calories and high in fiber. This makes it an ideal food for weight loss. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, so you are less likely to overeat. In addition, okra is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate. The reason why okra supports weight loss is that these nutrients work together to promote a healthy metabolism. Vitamin C helps the body to burn fat, potassium regulates blood sugar levels, and folate aids in the production of new cells. Potassium also supports weight loss because it helps to reduce water retention. When your body is carrying excess water, you may feel bloated and uncomfortable. By reducing water retention, okra can help you to feel lighter and more comfortable in your own skin. Another reason why okra is effective for weight loss is that it contains a type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin slows down the digestion process and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. And so many reasons you should eat okra for weight loss. As with most vegetables, okra has a lot going on nutritionally. For only 33 calories per cup, you get 3.2 grams of fiber, which is 12% of your daily fiber needs. The fiber in okra is both soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber is important for a healthy digestive system, and soluble fiber helps your body to maintain healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels by reducing the amount of cholesterol that your body absorbs from food and by slowing down the rate at which your body turns food into energy. Another cool fact about okra: one serving of the green veggie also offers 2 grams of protein, which is great for only 33 calories. This means that almost 25% of the calories come right from protein. With fiber, protein along with some great antioxidants and folate, okra can be beneficial for healthy weight loss and good overall health. The fiber will keep your digestive system in check and keep you satiated, and the protein will help your body to rebuild muscle tissue. Folate is protective against heart disease, and antioxidants support the immune system, absorb nutrients, and keep your body's cells protected from damage. Okra compounds may promote weight loss. In a study in mice fed a high-fat diet, carbs extracted from okra decreased body weight, blood sugar levels, and total cholesterol. In another study, mice with diabetes given okra extract experienced significant reductions in body weight after 8 weeks. All the same, human studies on okra water are lacking. Still, okra water may help you stay hydrated. Drinking more water may increase weight loss, reduce food intake, and temporarily boost your metabolism. Okra seed pods are also high in dietary fiber, which can help boost weight loss efforts. The soluble fiber in particular has been shown to be very effective at making you feel full after eating, so you're less likely to overeat, which can result in weight gain. Eating foods with soluble fibers regularly may even help reduce your risk of obesity. The fat content in okra is 0.3 grams or less than 1% of the 65 grams USDA daily value. Fat is a nutrient that provides a high number of calories in the diet, 9 for every gram of fat, compared with 4 for carbohydrates and protein. Including no more than the daily fat requirement in the diet is important for avoiding weight gain. How to prepare okra for weight loss and when to drink okra water. Okra water is typically made by soaking okra pods or thin slices of okra in water overnight or for up to 24 hours. Once the okra has soaked, squeeze any leftover sap from the pods and combine it with the infused water. It's common to drink okra water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Proponents claim that this maximizes its potential health benefits. However, no research supports the claim that okra water is more beneficial in the morning than at other times of the day. Therefore, you can enjoy okra water whenever works best for you. For best results, pair okra water with a well-rounded diet rich in nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.